Hey there guys, Candice from Crema Coffee Garage here. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at another one of the awesome automatic machines from the Jura's home collection. This is the Jura Z6. The Z6 from Jura is setting new industry standards with impressive coffee quality, user-friendly operation and a captivating design. The newest release, which I have here with me today, is the Diamond Black Edition, a visual standout, and it's bound to fit into any kitchen. So let's take a closer look, shall we? It has a 280 gram bean hopper with Jura's classic aroma preservation cover on top, essential when it comes to keeping your beans as fresh as possible. Below those beans, you'll find a professional aroma grinder. Now, Jura tell us that it produces 12.2% more aroma and consistently high grind quality over the entire service life of your machine. Now, they've done this by perfecting the geometry of the grinder to achieve the optimum grinding curve. The Z6 also uses active bean monitoring to notify you when the beans need refilling. Once ground, your coffee is taken through the Jura's well-known PEP process, which stands for Pulse Extraction Process. Being one of the first machines to have ever used PEP, the Z6 is renowned for its flavourful and aromatic espresso extraction. Your end result is a well-balanced, delicious coffee with the perfect crema on top. One of the main factors contributing to this delicious taste is the quality of the water passing through the coffee. The Z6 uses a 2.8 litre water tank, which has the Claris Smart water filter fitted to ensure optimal water quality every time. The smart filters use an RFID chip, along with the machine's intelligent water systems to monitor the filter's use. This means it'll prompt you when it needs to be replaced and registers when a new one has been fitted, unlike some older models where you did need to go into the menu and tell your machine that a new filter had been fitted. The Z6 does it all for you. Of course, we can't overlook the cool illumination inside the water tank, and we'll also see that repeated here on the cup tray. And as we saw with the bean hopper, the machine will also tell you when the water tank needs to be refilled. Moving to the front of the machine, you'll see the stylish TFT colour display with the easy to use buttons and the rotary dial here on the top, which makes operation really simple and very intuitive. Although Jura have stepped things up a notch when it comes to understanding their customers. Some of you may already be aware that with few of the Jura machines, you have the ability to program your menu to display your drinks in the order you desire, but you also can specify the strength and the temperature of those drinks. Jura have now developed what they call Smart Mode, and this means that the machine will get to know you so that the coffees that you are making the most often will begin to appear on the screen intuitively. Speaking of the menu, you'll find the full range of the Australian coffee menu, including our Aussie acclaimed flat white, of course. And as I mentioned before, you are given the ability to customise those drinks to suit your strength and temperature preference, setting it that one time and then you'll never have to worry about it again. However, you are able to adjust these drinks on the fly should you have any guests coming over. To take advantage of all the amazing features on this machine, you could also download the Joe app on your phone or tablet. Now, using Jura's Smart Connect capabilities, which comes included with the Z6, and not all machines do, by the way, you can use your smartphone or smart tablet to custom create a coffee order for more than just one person. And what a great show off this is when you've got the whole family around. Grandma likes it weak and extra hot, whereas Dad likes to throw in an extra shot to his coffee. Too easy. You can create it all in one order and send it straight to the machine. Modern in its design, the Z6 does not require you to move your cup once the espresso is poured. The milk will simply be poured whilst your cup remains in the same spot. Using the milk line tubing system, which can be either placed into your container of choice, but why not use Jura's great milk containers, including the glass, or you could buy the ever popular thermos canister. The machine will draw up the exact quantity of milk it needs to produce your drink of choice, which ensures there is no wastage of leftover milk. Maintaining and cleaning the Z6 has been made really simple by Jura, using their integrated cleaning and rinsing systems. The milk line system is programmed to automatically run a rinse cycle 10 minutes after making a milk coffee, a function that could be turned off and done manually if you prefer to do so. For a more in-depth clean of the milk line system, the Z6 will prompt you, and it uses the set and forget cleaning function. You simply have to set up the handy cleaning container, which comes included, along with the Jura milk line cleaner, and you leave the machine to clean itself. Doing this on a regular basis eliminates any possibility of residual milk sitting in the lines. For a more intense clean of the coffee line system, you will be prompted roughly every 150 coffees, which can be achieved with the Jura 2-phase cleaning tablets, some of which come included when you purchase the Z6 with Crema. Showcasing elegant Swiss design and completely intuitive and intelligent operation, the Z6 will help you create barista quality coffee from the comfort of your own home. So that's a wrap on the Z6 for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way we can continue to create awesome coffee content for all our loyal viewers. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, and then that way you'll be told as soon as we release a new review. But while you're here, why not check out some of the other awesome machines from the Jura range? You'll find some home machines and even some professional range machines as well. Don't forget to pop over to Facebook and Instagram, give us a like, give us a follow, and don't forget to send us a message and give us some suggestions of what videos you'd like to see coming up next. Thanks, guys.